Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2A Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So we move to the question number 1. So total question is 20. Question number 1 is select the column B to C and then insert the two column. Use the flash fill to insert the category which the begin is the ornaments and the column B and beginning with the cell is B6. So select the column B to C. Select the column B to C and insert the two new column. Click right clicks and click the insert the two new column and use the flash fill to insert the category which begin with the ornaments in the column B and beginning with in the cell B6. So select the cell is B6 and type the ornaments. So type the ornaments, press enter and using the flash fills. So go to the home tabs and go to the editing groups, click the flash fills and type the Porcelain ornaments in the cell C6 and press enter. Select the cell is C6 and type the Porcelain ornaments. Porcelain ornaments. Press enter. So copy the Porcelain ornament and paste the cell in C6. In the cell is C6 and paste the press enter and use the flash fill to copy the products which began in the Proclaim ornaments downs and completing the column. So apply the flash fills, go to the home tabs and go to the reading groups, click the flash fill and read the column A. Select the column A and right clicks, click the delete. So question number 1 is a complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is a use a cut and paste to move column C so that it is the column G in the position. So cut and paste move the column C. Select the column C is the cut column. Right clicks and click the cut and move to the column C in the column G. Select the column G and paste the column G. Cut and paste the column G and delete the column C from the data worksheet. So select the column C, is the right clicks and click the delete column C and the auto fit with the column A to F. Select the column A to F, apply the auto fit column is the double click is the F column and apply the auto fit column. So question number 2 is a complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is in a cell G11 insert the function that will calculate the total profit for the range is E6 to E35. So select the G11, go to the G11 cell is the profit and insert the calculate the total profit in the range E6 to E35. Type is equal to and type the sum function and the range is E6 to E35. Type the E6 to E35. Close bracket, press enter button. And next step is in a cell J5 insert the function that will calculate the average price for the range C6 to C35. Select the J5 and insert the function that will calculate the average price for the range is C6 to C35. Type is equal to, and insert the calculate is the average function. Type is equal to, and type the average function. Double click is the average function, and range is C6 to C35. So select the range is C6 to C35. C6 to C35, close bracket, press enter button. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in the cell J7, insert the function that will display the median price for the range is C6 to C35. Go to the cell J7, the cell J7, and insert the median function in the cell J7 and display the median price of the range C6 to C35. So type is equal to, type the median function, and select the range is C6 to C35 is the price column, C6 to C35, and close bracket, press enter button. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is in a cell J6, insert the function that will display the lowest price for the range is C6 to C35. Go to the cell J6 and insert the function is the lowest price for the range is C6 to C35. Type is equal to, type the minimum function is the lowest price is the minimum function, and range is the C6 to C35. Price column, select the C6 to C35, close bracket, and press enter button. So step number 1 is a part 5 is complete, and next step is in the cell J8, insert the function that display the highest price for the range is C6 to C35. Go to the cell J8 and insert the function is the highest price for the range is C6 to C35. So type is equal to, and type the maximum function, max function. Double click is the max function, and range is C6 to C35. Select the range is C6 to C35. C6 to C35, close bracket, and press enter button. So question number 5 is complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is move the contents and a formatting of the range H5 to J12 to B5 to D12. So type the ranges H5 to J12, press enter button. So select the ranges H5 to J12 to B5 to D12. Move and drag the B5 to D12, B5 to D12, and release the left clicks. And autofit column C to D. So select the column C is and apply the autofit column C2. Double click is the apply the autofit column. Next is to the range B5 to D9, apply the 20% ASIN to cell styles. So select the ranges B5 to D9, press enter, and B5 to D9, apply the 20% ASIN to cell styles. So apply the 20% ASIN to cell styles. Go to the home tabs and go to the cell style groups. Click the cell styles and apply the 20% Rather 20% isn't too satisfied. 20% isn't 20% isn't too satisfied. So click OK. Select the range B5 to D9. Go to the home tab and go to the style groups and apply the 20% isn't too satisfied. Click OK. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is a move the range B5 to B9 and change the orientation of the text in a cell B5 to 22 degrees. So select the range is B5 to B9, B5 to B9, press enter. So select the range is B5 to B9 and change the orientation of the text in the cell B5 to 22 degree. So select the range and right clicks, click the go to the format cells. Sorry, format cells. Click OK and change the merge and orientation of the text in B5 to 22 degrees. Go to the alignment tabs and select the merge cells. Merge cell is the degree is the 22. So type the 22 orientation text and B5 is the 22. So click OK. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. In a cell C9, type the stationery products and then press enter. So select the C9, select the cell is C9 and type the stationery products. Stationery product and type the ratio, press enter button. And next in a cell D9, insert the function that will count the total number of stationery products available in the range A50 to A44. So select the cell as D9, D9 and insert the count function total of the stationery products and available in the ranges to A50 to A44. Type is equal to and type the count function. So insert the count function, double clicks and open the count function dialog box and type the count function and click the go and click OK. So open the count function dialog box and the range is a D9. Insert the function that will calculates count the total number of stationery range is A50 to A44. A50 to A44, A50 to A44 and criteria is the stationery and click OK. So question number 8 is the complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is insert the function that will calculate display the word is the discontinue if the value in the cell D15 less than 1500 and the next is no changes. If the value in a cell D52 greater than or equal to 15, select the cell as F15 and insert the if function in a cell F5. Insert the function that automatically display the word is discontinued if the value is D50 to the less than or 1500 on the text to the no change if the value in the cell D15 greater than or equal to. So insert the if function is D50 and discontinue or no change and press enter button. So the result is discontinue and fill the formula F50 down to F62 F44. So copy the formula F52 F44 F52 F44. So question number 9 is a complete. We can move to the question number 10. Apply a conditional formatting to the selected range F50 to F44 so that if cell within the range is contained, the word is discontinued to the cell text will be formatted with the dark red font color. In the first column, first color is the standard color and change the fill color is the no color. Apply the conditional formatting in the ranges F50 to F44. Copy the range and paste the range, press enter. So select the ranges F52, F44 and apply the conditional formatting. So go to the home tabs and go to the style groups, click the conditional formatting and cell text data will be formatted dark red font color is the first color column is the first color. So go to the highlight cell roots and go to the text that contain and type the format cell that contain with the text is discontinue and dark red font colors. Click the color arrow and go to the custom formats and dark red is the font colors. Go to the font tabs and click the color is the dark red font color is the first column in the first color. Like the dark red is the first color, standard color, change the fill color is no color. Go to the fill color and standard color is the no color. Click OK and again OK. So step number is complete and go to the next step. Apply the conditional formatting. Display the gradient fill red data bar in the range D50 to D44. So type the range is D50 to D44. Press enter. Apply the conditional formatting to display the gradient fill red data bar in the ranges D50 to D44. So go to the home tabs and go to the conditional formattings. Go to the data bar is the gradient fill red data bars. Gradient fill, gradient fill and solid fill. So gradient fill is the red data bars. Gradient fill is the red data bar. Click OK. So question number 10 is a complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is select the range A50 to A44 and place all the instant of the text is the clothing. With the text is a PRL at the one time close all open the dialog box. So copy the range A50 to A44. Copy the range and paste the range. Press enter. Replace all instants of the text is the clothing with the text is a PRL at the one time. So shortcut button is the Control F, and go to the home tabs and go to the reading group. Click the find and select and click the replace. So find what is clothing and replace with the apparel and replacers. Click the replacers. All we done, we made to the three replacement. Click OK and click the close button. So question number 11 is the complete. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.